Welcome to the Vale Youth Service Summer GarageBand project. Over the next 3 weeks we're going to learn some new techniques and build our own track. We'll just start with the drummer. Okay, we've got Kyle and we're going to do rock track today. So I'm going to play him. And I'm going to move this circle in the square to change the sound of what he's playing. So if I bring it right down here, goes a lot softer, a lot quieter, simple. Bring it right up here. Loud, complicated. So we'll just put him back to where he was. Okay, so we'll just minimize him. And now we're going to put some guitar in. So we'll push back on here, flick across to the guitar, which is here. Okay, so we've got the hard rock guitar, but you can choose from all these different guitars. So we'll come back and we're going to use autoplay. So we'll just flick this knob up to number 1, and every time you push on one of these notes, it plays a riff for us. We're just going to record 2 chords for our song. Okay, we'll push this record button. Okay, that's good. So we'll just minimize this and play our track. Okay, so that's it for this week. Next week we're going to be doing the bass. Thank you.